At the Pinson compound, and I made 2 quarter pipes. Got a little 4-foot quarter pipe. Pretty good size, 4 feet by 7 feet wide. That's a piece of coping, some fence pipe from the Lowe's. And then I made a little 2-foot quarter pipe. So between that quarter pipe and this one, got a little mini ramp. So let's ride them. So this little 4-foot quarter pipe is cool because I think I built this with 10 2x4s and 3 sheets of plywood. So 1 sheet of 3/4, 2 sheets of half, and the fence post for the coping, and then I think 2 2x6x8s. So this one was about $300 in material to make. And this one is about $100 in material to make. So both quarter pipes wind up costing me about $400. So that's pretty cool. Another rad addition to the Pinson compound. Let's see if we can ride a dirt bike off this, how far we can jump.